Hey, just called. He wants a price on his facility.
All right, did we get the blueprint, square footage, and working times?
So he doesn't know the square footage. I looked up his address on Google Earth, and it's about 35,000 square foot. He's looking for his blueprints. That's something we can hopefully get once we do the walkthrough.
Oh, you set up a walkthrough?
Yeah, we have a walkthrough next week.
What is this, weekend, nighttime, daytime?
So they're a 9 to 5 for the office hours. So we're gonna either have to do it at night or on a weekend.
All right, so then we'll get the blueprints, or maybe not. And if not, we'll walk around either way, with or without them. We'll make our own blueprints if we need to. And then we can talk to them about rating materials too.
Yeah.
So, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds like a plan.
All right. So we're just doing this one system, right?
Yeah, exactly. Tommy.
So we just finished marking these plans up. They're only wanting to do this one system that does about 8,000 square foot of the facility.
Yeah, not worried about this at all right now. He said maybe later, but wants to see how this goes first.
And this is, you guys mark this up, and then how many people were you thinking?
So he wants to do it on the weekends. So we're gonna have to do it a Saturday and Sunday. We're thinking it's gonna take about 10 guys for both days.
Yeah, he needs us done by Monday. So
Well, their scope of work was pretty intense.
Yeah.
And added a lot of extra stuff. So what did you come up with on the numbers?
After measuring it out, we got to put it in the.
still put it through R&M sheets for sure, but it's gonna be around 50,000 for the weekend.
Okay. So we're gonna go get it built and send it over to them?
Yeah.
So that's the plan?
All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Sounds good.